Happy Friday, friends. I hope you all are doing great, and I hope you had a wonderful week and off to a great start to your weekend. I thought I would take you along as I tidy up my work week to get ready for my weekend. I also have a pretty big secret that I want to share with you, so let's get started. So friends, Friday is always my planning day. That's the day that I see and handle any meetings that I have. This is the day that I prep for my upcoming week. And so I don't have clients on that day. So it's really a day that I can work from home. And today I worked on my back patio. And one of the meetings that I had today was about that secret that I want to share with you. And the secret is my third book, Beautifully Organized at Work, launches July 6th. And friends, every time it feels like I'm giving birth to a new baby. I have been working on this for over a year now, and it has been my everything, and I'm so excited about it. And that's one of the meetings I had today. And this is the kind of blueprint of the cover that I'm showing you here. And I am going to make a little change to it. And I'm really curious to if any of my longtime friends out there kind of guess what the change is going to be. Now, if you think you know, pause the video, let me know, and then I'm going to tell you in a second. But the book is like my first book, Beautifully Organized, where, in the first book, I took you through every room in your home, shared tips, resources on how to beautifully organize those spaces. Well, this is what I'm doing in Beautifully Organized, but it's about your work life, whether you're a doctor, a nurse, or teacher, or you work in an office or retail, you work in a truck driver, whatever the case may be, how to bring organized beauty to your work environment. And I wanted to share with you tips. I wanted to give you beautiful, colorful inspiration in the pages. And the one tweak I'm going to make to this cover is right here, changing this to gray. Now, I wasn't 100% with that color there that I had initially chosen, but now it's going to be gray, and you guys know how I feel about gray, so it's going to be beautiful. And the book is like the first book in the fact that I wanted it to be a huge resource for you that was inspirational, that gave you plenty of tips from before you start work to the end of the workday to during the workday. And I wanted it to also be something that you could sit on your coffee table and it be just absolutely beautiful, or you can sit on your desk at work. It could be absolutely beautiful, but I wanted to give you that same tool that I gave you for home for your work life. And this is my first book, Beautifully Organized, for anybody who has not gotten this or read this yet. And it focuses on the home, and it shares with you tips on how to beautifully organize your home. And I take you through every single room in your house, and I share kind of guides and resources that you can use, for years to come. And so this was my inspiration behind Beautifully Organized at Work, because I wanted to create that tool that really did the same thing for work. Because one, when you don't have beautiful organization in home or work, it is stressful. It costs you money. It costs you time. And so I thought, especially after this year we had, that was important. And I wanted to make sure that I created a tool that fit the masses. So if you're that homeschooling mom, or with the kids being home and you're having to set up kind of school areas and work areas, and you're having to create these work environments at home, or you're having to leave home and go into an office that may be understaffed. And so it's important that we really know how to bring beautifully organized systems and ways of working to our work life. And so I feel like this is a great tool for that, and a beautiful tool also. And so Beautifully Organized at Work is available for pre-order now on Amazon, Barnes & Noble. I'll put the link in the description box. And friends, two things are so important to me as an author is, one, pre-orders. Those are huge for me. And then the other thing is your reviews when you get the book. So when you order your book, if you order your book, please definitely, if you can, leave me a review on Amazon or Barnes & Noble, wherever you purchase the book from. That would be huge. And thank you in advance for anyone who does so, for your support. And let me say a huge thank you to everyone for your huge amount of support on Beautifully Organized. And I tell you, I get so inspired by all of the coffee table photographs that I see of my first book, Beautifully Organized. And you guys you have some beautiful homes, I must say. And so on Instagram, thank you to everyone who tags me when they style the book in their home. What I'm going to do is actually, I'm going to take all of those photos and make a big poster of all of the photos. And then I'm going to frame it and put it in my office. So I'm so excited about that. But I think I'm going to wait until, Beautifully Organized also launched, because this is also going to be that coffee table book. So I want to get as many on the poster as I can. So definitely, if you do take pictures and post them on your Instagram, please always tag me and hashtag Beautifully Organized so that I definitely can see it, because you guys, that brings me so much joy. And friends, we can't leave out my second book, The Beautifully Organized Home Planner. And I want to tell you, if you have not gotten this or you don't know what this is a home planner. And I honestly feel like every home needs this. What it is, it's a tool that helps you implement all of those systems that you need in your home in a beautiful way and simplified, and it walks you through it. And right now it is on Amazon for $16.50. So I don't know how long they're going to keep it at that price, but if you have been looking at it or wanting it, this is the time to grab that one too at $16. That's an amazing price for the planner, and it's such a huge working tool for you. So definitely get your pre-order of that copy. And if you haven't gotten the other two books, I will love it if you got it. But now I'm going to go ahead and get packed up for my weekend, friends. I am so excited because we're going to be working in the yard this weekend, and we're going to be working around the house. But Mike and I said we were going to just take our time, enjoy the process. We have little projects here and there that we're working on. So we're just going to enjoy working on a few projects. I'm sure I will be sharing them with you. But what this is right here, this is my home work bag that I'm packing up. And then I'm putting away all of my little work things because I just camped out all day here. And it's so nice being able to do my meetings out here. Bentley and Albert love it out here, so that they're a little crazy. You guys know how they are, but they love it when I'm working on the back patio. But I'm giving it a nice wipe down so that Mike and I can really sit out here again this evening and have pizza. It's pizza night. We're gonna have pizza, and we're not gonna do Weight Watchers friendly pizza, because we're really craving this Chicago style pizza place down the road. So we're going to have us a little bit of a cheat day. So I really wanted, before Mike gets home, is to really just kind of get the back porch cleaned off and ready. I'm going to just get it ready for us to sit out here and enjoy and catch up. And a great way to start our weekend. And then tonight we'll probably catch a movie. I've been wanting to watch this movie. I think it's called Without Remorse with, I think it's, Michael B. Jordan. And so I'm excited that we're going to watch that this weekend. So that's how we're going to start our Friday out here on the back porch having pizza. Then we'll go in and we'll catch that movie and then just kind of relax for the rest of the evening. But I thought I just wanted to share my little secret with you and then take you on the journey of refreshing the back porch as I just chit chat with you and catch up. Can you guys believe how well my plants are doing? Now I am trimming off some parts that I need to trim off of. And you saw my little friend back there, the deer, came and visited me while I was cleaning the back porch. So I am ready for the weekend, and I hope that you're having a beautiful one. We are going to just have a nice relaxing one, but semi-productive, and I hope that you all will do the same. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, friends, definitely click the subscribe button along with the bell so that you receive notifications every time I post a video. And please don't forget to go over right now and pre-order your copy of Beautifully Organized at Work. I cannot wait to hear from you when you get the book in your hand. Have a beautiful day, my friends. I will see you at the next video. And this is Nikki saying goodbye.